Ten Commandments and number 3 of the Viking code of being a leader is to know the banner you fight under. Every tribe fights for something, and to understand what is that purpose and vision. What do we do this for? Why do we bleed so hard for this in the company? So it's important to define your cause, your crest, your war cry, your values, your purpose. If people don't know what they're fighting for, they will fight each other in the end of the day. And therefore this quote, it says, purpose is the fire that keeps warriors warm through the longest winter. For me, that is the number one. People, if they know what they're fighting for, they will die for it. Number 4, it's to forge discipline like steel. Not just having people in chains in the end of the day. So discipline is not about punishing people. It's about creating a code of honor with consequences. To creating the freedom to form. For me, a Viking crew rose in the rhythm. Not because they are forced to do it, but because they know the sea will swallow you if you are not prepared. So it's about setting that standard to earn respect and not resentment.